Hello, I want to show you how you can get data out of an image using AI. I have some data right here within an environment, within an image. So I have this data, and I need to get this data out so that I can use it in a spreadsheet or anywhere I need to use this data separately from this table. So this table, I actually captured this table from a site where copying has been disabled. So that website simply disabled copying of items, text, or any other object. So how do I get this done? It's simple and pretty simple to get this data out. I know there are so many other services out there, but AI is amazing. It can do a lot of stuff for us. So all I need to do is to select this image, and then copy it. It's currently copied. And then come here and tell the AI that it should extract the data from the image. Okay, so export the data from this image to a spreadsheet. Where is the image? The one I copied earlier, Control V. So the image is right there. Submit. So the data is right there, but I need it in a spreadsheet. Export to Sheets. So it's going to use Google Sheets to get this done for us. We are good to go. We have the data right here. So whatever I need to do with this data is now my business. I can copy it. I can download this item. I can make a copy. Whatever I need to do, I can tell it to download as a spreadsheet in Excel. I can as well copy it from here and paste into Excel directly. I hope this is useful. If it is to you, please give it a like. That will be all for now.